Honestly, this is sad, but it's true. It is the last weekend before school starts. So we are a little sad because that one doesn't want to talk about school. And let me see your shoes. How about let's talk about your shoes. Ooh, look at those shoes.
Classic shoes.
Classic shoes.
Classic shoes that my brother got.
That's right.
Like the same shoes that my brother got, but just like different colors.
Matching. And look at this cute little puppy we have in the back. Quincy, say hi. Hi.
She's everyone's dog.
She's everyone's dog. Well, she's mainly your dog, right? But we all love her so much.
Who's the one that took
in the beginning
out the potty? Go potty.
In the beginning, she did not like going out in the car. Oh my gosh, we were afraid that she's never gonna come in the car because she was so scared. And every time we bring her near the car, she just would not. It was very scared. But now she loves it. This summer, we brought Austin to camp. I brought Austin to camp and bring her every day in the car. And I guess that's it. She loves being in the car. No answer? No. Thank you. Alright guys, so it didn't work the way we wanted to, and now we're just have to drive back home.
Whoa, look at this, Lindsay. Look at this bone.
Oh!
Look at this bone. Hey, look at this bone. You see it? Oh, look at that bone.
Cute little guinea pig and
We are not getting a guinea pig today. We already have enough animals.
we have 2 cats, 1 dog, and 1 hamster. And guys, look at this cute bird.
Oh, it's so cute.
Like and subscribe.
Oh look, you think this is Halloween costumes? Should we get one for Quincy? What do you guys think? Let us know if you want Quincy to dress up for Halloween. Do you want Quincy to dress up for Halloween?
Yeah.
Should we?
Look at this cute dog right here. My favorite dog ever.
Yes, every time we come here, he loves this cardboard dog.
I'm so into cardboard.
But you already have your, like a real dog.
But cardboard is better.
So we came here, all the way here to Hadley
And
to
we got
get...
scammed. We got scammed.
Get, not Austin. Quincy, her haircut, that was the whole point. And ended up, whoever made the appointment with me did not tell me that she needed paperwork. And now, when we went there, they said that she needed her rabies paperwork and we didn't have it. And I'm kind of pissed because it's about like half an hour to get here. And now we just drove here for nothing. And
We went here to look at guinea pigs and birds.
But we are picking up a couple things at Walmart. We brought our dog in. Ah, what a day. I am still a little disappointed about not getting her hair cut. It is so hard to find groomer nowadays, and we've been trying to make appointments for months now, and just it's really hard to find somebody. And so I was looking forward to this, and plus she is getting so shaggy and she really needs it.
Hey guys.
So I'm still a little disappointed, but that's okay.
Hi guys.
Are you a paper towel? Or is that your throne?
This is my paper towel toilet throne. If I need to, I can just go right here.
Okay. Quincy's so good in here, isn't she? She loves people. She loves people, and she's so gentle.
She's so cute.
It's like I've never been here before.
Quincy, this is the dog facility. You want? Mom, you have to
I got this Redken. It's a static. Love the smell. Kind of reminds me of coconut. I put some on. I don't know if you can tell, but. And I also got lipstick. This is at the when you go cash out and they try to sell you, and they did. It's MAC and it's $10, and I think it's a great fall color. So kind of like a mauve rose color. It's really pretty.
Wow, that looks really pretty.
You like it? Little red, but I love it. I got steak bowl, Chris. We saw some little kids selling lemonade on the side of the road, so we're gonna stop and get some. How much is the lemonade? 50 cents? That's it? We'll get one.
So we came for a little walk. We're up at Posey again. I haven't actually been here for probably a couple years.
A couple years.
Quincy's first time here.
She's loving it. She can smell all the dogs.
Yeah, I bet she does.
So this is basically where the tower is over there. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. There's the park over there. There's the field over there. It's kind of a beautiful spot to make videos. So if you're watching this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.
All right. There's the view, guys.
It's so
It
beautiful.
is so hot out. I'm surprised, especially for almost fall being here. But nice little area. Come, relax, walk the dog, hike.
These are some of the clothes that we've bought him for back to school shopping. We didn't buy a lot of pants because just starting of a season and it's still gonna be short season, but we bought him a bunch of shorts. I know it's just one here, but some of the clothes we can't find it because we've been shopping really almost throughout the whole week, not just today. So he has a bunch of, as you know, he already wore these shoes. These were for school too, but he was complaining about the shoes. I think that he was just not used to wearing shoes because he's been wearing sandals whole summer, but now that towards the end of the day he was fine because today was the first time he wore these shoes. But yeah, this is some of the clothes that we went shopping for back to school. Hey everyone, we are on our way to Austin's open house. We are excited. He's going into 3rd grade, so we already know what his school looks like, but we don't know his teacher and his classroom or anything. So we're gonna go see that today because he starts school on Wednesday, right? Are you excited?
Yes. No.
But are you excited to see the teachers and
Cars.
and
When cars
coming? Sorry guys. This is oh, right here. Welcome to 3rd grade. Wow. All the stuff they're going to be learning here.
I'm
classroom.
actually feeling smart from this.
Are you? You
Smarties.
must be so smart. You drink the smart water. You drink the Smartie candy. You are all ready for school, aren't you?
Yep, I love this.
Look at all this great books. They're gonna be learning so much. You have a great room. And there's Austin's desk.
I'm sitting in the front.
Austin's name.
I'm sitting in the front row of the crack.
Yeah.
Front row.
Pinky promising? Oh, never seen this. This is so cool. Wow, that's awesome. It's a vending machine for books. What do you think?
I'm excited.
You excited? Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
My best friend is actually in my class, and my 2 other best friends are like literally outside of my class.
Yes.